Hey folks, Don here from Colliver Communications. Team managers in my workshops from across the tech industry are wondering how to ensure a smooth transition to the new hybrid work model. In hybrid meetings with both remote and in-person team members, remote workers can be at a distinct disadvantage when it comes to having their say. To address that, be sure to set up a clear scaffolding of input at the beginning of your hybrid meeting. I mean, tell folks exactly how they should contribute and consider designating a specific time for your remote attendees to speak up. That way, they have the space to contribute if they want, regardless of technical delays. For a critical checklist of hybrid meeting considerations for team managers, check out the CHARM framework at my blog post below.